Hey, I'm Jamie Freeman, and I'm going to show you my integrated arts project. The first thing I have on my screen is my creative movement, and what I have is a way of taking attendance, and the students will come in every day and sign their name to a board, and when they're done, they can choose one of three ways to make it to their desk. They can tiptoe to their chair, they can march, or they can swim. And so I just thought that would be a great way to add a little bit of extra movement into their day. The second thing I have is my puppet. And here he is. If I can get it on. I don't know if you can see, there he is. His name is Marty, and I just thought Marty might be a good way to do story time, and the kids could maybe play with him in a center. So that was Marty. And for my third one, which would be my sensory bin, I have created a sorting, can you see? A sorting bin. And in here, I don't know if you can see, but I have cereal. I had initially wanted to do beans, but after listening to a story from my CT about how one of her students stuck a bean up his nose, and after several days of major headaches and a trip to the ER to find out that the bean had started to sprout, I thought maybe that wasn't a good idea. So I chose cereal. Even though it's not supposed to be edible, at least it would be safe if they did. So I've got a box of, or a bin of Fruit Loops. And so what I thought you could do with this, there's several things that you could do with a sensory bin. And one was to count. So in the bin there would be cups, and each cup would have a number and you know, a picture, I guess, of how many is supposed to go within there. And so the students could just count, you know, 1, 2, like that. So that would be the first way that they could use this sensory bin. The other way I thought the students could use it would be to take these cards, and instead of sorting or counting the letters or the Fruit Loops, the students could just, I don't know if you can see, let's try to do this. The students could place the Fruit Loops around the letter. Can you see? Maybe not. I'm not so sure. But the students could outline the letter with the Fruit Loops, make the letters with the Fruit Loops. And then the other way was just to sort by color. So you have blues, greens, purples, reds, oranges, and yellows. So I thought that was 3 different ways you actually could use this sorting counting bin. And those are my 3 projects for the integrated arts. So thank you.